here is CBS Sports App, Scores and News. So how to install it on iPhone. So just tap Get and you'll be able to install it. And yeah, this is a cool app to see March Madness basketball. And you can see like stream live sports from a lot of networks: CBS, Paramount Plus, CBS Sport Network. So you can see here NFL, UEFA Champions League, Europe League, Masters, March Madness basketball, of course. So that's one of the top apps to do that. And yeah, it's like pretty cool app. So just open it up. And then you can sign up. So then you can just find your favorite teams. If you wanna, you can allow notifications, and then you can just have some highlights from today. And then you can see rankings, for example. You can see matches. You can see some instant news, game tracker, game flow, box score, odds. So everything in one app, kind of pretty cool. So here you can just see scores, then you can see news, then you can actually watch. Then you can see some peaks. And then you can see more. Guess the most from CBS Sports. Yeah, get some audio, radio. Yeah, so that's basically an idea what you can try out here. And yeah, hope that is helpful. As you see, I'm not even paying right now. I didn't need to sign in with my TV provider, but for some things I think you need to sign in. But this is just like a free stats, like which is easy for you to see, and it's one of the best apps to follow March Madness tournament. Hope that's helpful.